The 47-year-old actor Aamir Khan, who met Ram Lakhan, a rickshaw driver from Varanasi, while promoting his film Three Idiots, attended his son's wedding after he came all the way to Mumbai to invite the actor. Aamir and Ram Lakhan met 2.5 years ago while travelling in disguise in north of India without any bodyguards to promote his film. Lakhan, who took Aamir on a tour around Varanasi while he was disguised as an old man, developed a strong bond with the actor in 3 days. It is believed that Aamir was very touched with his gesture of personally inviting him for his son's wedding. The actor also said that Ram Lakhan had also helped him locate his Ammi's home in Varanasi. Interestingly, a funny incident happened when Aamir attended the wedding. When the actor was addressing the media, the stage collapsed. The actor, however, was not hurt in the incident. Well, all is well that ends well, right, Aamir?